Thank you. Anyone who made the challenge we can go through them together as we're waiting for others to join. Because again, it's getting boring the way we are all quiet. Don't know. What do you think of it? Anyone? That maybe others who will join after we will try to help them to catch up with where we will be. Okay. Yes. I'm still Kevin, and I want to apologize for my voice. I have flu in like 3 days. My voice is not well, but I'm trying. So thank you. So we are going to continue from where we stopped last night. So anybody can remind us where we stopped last night? Any volunteer? No one? I pick.
Okay, we were actually cleaning the data for transaction for quarter one, and we finished with the product category cleaning.
Perfect. I like that. Thank you so much. Okay, so which means we are going to continue from where we stopped last night. Okay, and yeah, we are still doing cleanings for our data set to make sense, so that we can be able to create a good and meaningful dashboard. Okay, so I am trying to create a documentation, like a guide of how we are going to be doing our things step by step, and I'm going to share the link. Yes, I'm going to share the link via WhatsApp so that anybody can access the guidelines. Yeah. Okay. Can you see my screen? Did you guys got the link? Because I already shared the link. So the file that we are dealing with, this is the name of it: Regional Office Supplies and Equipment Sales Performance. Okay, so we are going to be using Power Query the way we started last evening, and to even go deeper and use DAX to turn messy Excel data into actionable business insights by creating formulas and applying them to visuals so that we can have a very nice dashboard. Okay. So we are going to be we are going to look at this together and decide, okay, decides like our priority um, measures or data that we want we want to first understand, and also creating something that you fully understand so that you can even be able to explain, or maybe can even be able to present. Because the moment you have an idea of creating a dashboard or a report, that means you're even ready to stand in front of our bosses, the CEOs, the board, the operation departments, any person, and you can also be able to explain to them what your report is talking about. Okay, because here in the Power BI, we're going to create a storytelling report. Okay, or maybe a storytelling dashboard. But what do we want to understand first? We want to understand the cells, okay, that took place in that year of 2024, and we want to understand the whole quotas. If we do remember well, we have 4 quotas. Okay, we have quota 1, quota 2, quota 3, and quota 4. That means the transactions took place the whole year, and it they are grouped into 4 quotas. Okay, that means 3 months per each quota, starting from Jan up to December. Okay, so we are going also to understand the profitability. Okay, we want also to understand the region's performance. Okay, we want to also understand the if there were discounts, if there were this was wait a bit. Yeah, sales representatives. Okay, we also need to understand the channels. Okay, so what we are doing, we are cleaning. Okay, we are cleaning our data, and we were doing it step by step all together. Okay, and we started from quota 1 transaction. So is anybody got any difficulties when we were doing our changes? Most especially in categories. That's where we were, right? Correct me if I'm wrong, but I remember we were here in category. Should I assume that all of us are in the same, like we have 5 distinct and 0 unique? Confirm? Please confirm.
Families.
Gael, Fiona, Itegeka. That means all of us, we do have 5 distinct.
I think I have
Anyone
7.
has
But anyway,
Wilson? Anyone has more than 5 distinct in category or less than 5?
I have 7. 7 distinct, 0 unique. I don't know.
You have 7,
Yes, so I think
which
that they
means
have to do
you have to
clean, continue cleaning, right?
unclean and clean data there.
Okay, I'll check it.
So do you remember how we did it?
Yes, so you just right click, you click on category and right click, and then
No,
you go
you
to
first come here to
replace.
region. Oh, sorry, not to region, to product. Okay, this is where we do have all our categories.
Yes, yes,
Yeah,
I have. I know. Yes, I'm seeing it.
yes, and you
Yes,
have to check what what are the categories that we do have here. So what you're going to do, you're going to go back to transaction Q1 and you see, come and you filter here. You just click here to this icon of filtering. You see what categories do we have here. You see maybe there is lightning instead of lighting. Maybe there is a furniture instead of furniture. There is accessories with one S. It is supposed to be 2S.
yes.
Peripherals with F, not PH. Such errors that we cleaned, such errors that we corrected.
Oh, okay. So
So
I think the problem is I have a stationary, as if you are standing one place, and
you
there's
have to
another one which.
refresh.
Yes, I have to clean. Yeah, that's probably. I'll correct it. We can go ahead.
Yes,
I'll correct it.
correct.
And
Correct.
light.
Okay,
Yeah. Okay.
perfect.
Okay.
So we are coming back here to our first column, sorry. And this order ID, we should be having distinct 277 with 0 unique. No, sorry, 277 unique because it should be unique IDs, which means none of our unique IDs should be having duplicate. Okay, so we are going to check where are the duplicates. Okay, are you guys following me? Okay, you come here and under transform, you click on trim to see if anything has changed. Nothing has changed. Okay, that means it wasn't because of spaces that are not accurate, which means they are all aligned the same. It's just that they might be having duplicates. So you come, I think I'm rushing. You come here to filter, then you scroll down and you see if there is anything different from our IDs. And we just found that nothing is here as different from the data that we see, which means they are duplicates. So in that case, the good way to check duplicates or to report duplicate, it's better to go back to your data set, okay? And you first confirm if we do really have duplicates. I hope you guys know how to find duplicates. Come here to conditional colon, highlight rules, duplicate values. So these files are duplicated. Yeah. And if you can count them, there are how many? 8, which means there are 4. 4 uniques that are contributing to this. What you do, you first check why are they duplicated, yet they should be having unique IDs. Okay. Anyone can share any thought? Any thought, please? I'd like someone to give us a hint of what we should do here. No one? No one has an idea? I give you a hint. Yes, Alan, go ahead.
Yeah, I think after finding the duplicates, the next step is to delete them
We delete
or
them.
to remove it from the other data set that you have.
Okay, thank you. Anyone else with an idea? Of what we can do?
I don't know how to do it in Excel, but normally sometimes it's good
No, we are
to.
not going to do it in Excel.
Oh, okay. So when we meet,
Yes, I just wanted us to see it live.
yeah. So when we encounter the duplicate, sometimes we might need that information. So we can set a condition. We can take one instead of having duplicates. Let's say if we have like 2 rows similar, we can decide to have only 1 row.
Yes.
The first appearance, then the next we
Exactly.
can ignore it.
Okay. Anyone else to volunteer? So by observation, okay? By observation, I want us to see these duplicates. You see, they are the same. So if you even come here to order date, they have the same date. They have the same customer ID. They have the same product ID. It's even the same product, okay? Throughout up to even the price, the discount, the net amount, even notes. So which means if we remove, they are duplicates, because if we remove this, we'll be remaining with the real value without a duplicate, okay? I don't know if you get it there. Perfect. So we are going to close our file, Excel file. Okay, don't have to save anything. Then we come back here to to our Power Query. Okay. Just highlight our column, left click, and then you do what? You remove duplicates. You just click here. You remove duplicates. And now there are 277 distinct and 277 unique, which means we have resolved the issue here. Okay? Are we still in the same track? Please raise your voice if you're left behind. Yeah? Okay. So this is a date. No worries about it. We are having order ID. We have date, order date. We have customer ID. It's also distinct, 0 unique. Okay. Which is okay. We have product ID 15, 0 unique, which is okay because we already have an ID for this. And here comes product names. 30 distinct, 2 unique. Do we need to go through it? What's your idea, guys? What's your suggestion? Suggest, please. No suggestion, guys.
Yeah, I think for
So
the product, I think it is okay for the product having 30 distincts and 2 unique. I can't easily detect any issue with that data because it is possible
right.
to have that kind of
Perfect.
data.
Perfect. Perfect. You're right. Okay. So we go to categories. We already cleaned it. We come here to region. And is region fine? We continue or something is wrong with the region? What do you think, guys?
Definitely wrong.
Definitely long. Which means we also have to clean. Yeah. So let's first understand what are the elements for regions. Okay. Come here to regions dimension and we see. Yeah. We only need East Africa, we need West, we need South. Okay. So when you come here, quota one transaction, and you're here within the region, you will see something different. You will see STHN, Africa, you see EA, West in capital letter. It's very messy. So here, what we are going to do, we are going to do the same as what we did for category. Okay. So I would like someone to direct me at first step. What should I do? What should I do? What's the first step I should make?
I think the first step should be to make categorization so that to reduce different errors.
Come again, please.
I think the first step should be to make column categorization and
Column
then
capitalization. Okay. And then
Then we make sure that we have only three regions: West Africa, Southern Africa, and East Africa. That means that we make transformations of those that are written, yeah, wrongly.
yes, I need someone to direct me of the steps I should make to see if you guys understood it well. Not Daniela, someone else, and
Yeah.
not me.
So
Yes, Christopher.
I think we have to, let's say, hello, hello.
Yes, but your cut.
Yeah. So we want to like the way we like the, yeah, like the way we did for let's say um
For,
categories.
yes.
We go to, oh, my internet, I'm not seeing the screen. So we go to um where we had where we get s dot Africa. I think that should be Southern Africa. So we right click on the region, and then we replace, we right click on the s dot Africa, and then we
Mm,
replace value with Southern Africa.
okay. Okay. Makes sense. Thank you very much, guys. So we are going to first transform, and we are going to use capitalize each word first of all. Okay. And then we see this S dot Africa. This is supposed to be South Africa. Is it South Africa or South? This is supposed to be a country, and it's in Southern, not South Africa. It's supposed to be Southern Africa. Okay. So you see, it's very sensitive. If I change this to South Africa, then it turns it to a country, not a region. I don't know if you get that. Yeah. Yes. So we are going to copy this, then we change it. You just replace value. It's very simple. You replace with Southern Africa, like this. Then just press enter. One is done. Okay. Come here to West. This is supposed to be West. Is it West as in West Africa or it's Western? You have to come here to region and you see if they are writing West or Western. So it's West. Okay. You come, you do the same. Are we guys are we guys are we guys practicing, or I am just the only one who is practicing?
Yeah,
Anyone else?
yes, we are. Yes, we are.
Okay. I don't want to leave anybody behind, please. The same here. What could be the idea here? EA. Is it East Africa? What's your thoughts, guys?
Yeah, it should be East Africa.
Okay. Are we done? Or we are missing some? Are we missing something here? Or
Yeah,
we
the
good to go?
E Africa there.
Yes, perfect. East Africa again. Anything else? There's no south that is written in a wrong way because we should be having how many? Only 3. And here we do have west, west. Why west, west? What could be the issue here? It we are supposed to we are supposed to be having only 3 regions. What could be the error there, guys?
Probably trimming. I don't know.
Yes, definitely. Let's try trim and we see if it will change. Yes. Now we do have 3 regions. Okay. And we are still going. Now we are up to cells representative IDs. Okay. 6 distinct, 0 unique. Channels, 3 distinct, 0 unique. Okay. Quantity, 9 distinct, 0 unique. The quantity is good. Okay. Unity price. What should we do here? Hmm?
We can remove the USD, the dollar signs.
The dollar signs, remove them.
Some entries have, some don't have, or we can add. Maybe the
So
easiest
what
way.
is okay? So how are we going to do it?
So we follow the same. We replace the values, we can replace by empty space, by nothing.
But we don't see replace value. There is no replace value. Why?
I think we can change it into text into numbers.
If we change text into numbers, should we try that?
Yes,
And you
sure.
see,
Yeah.
see what is going to come. Only errors. Do you know the reason why we do have errors here? It's because we are converting some elements in numbers, yet they do have words with them. Yeah. For example, this one. You can't convert this into digit because this USD is going to cause an error. Yeah, you get it? If we are to convert to numbers, we have to make sure that everything that we see here, it's in a number, it's a digit. Okay. So anyone else with with an idea?
We can first convert it to text. Then we remove the US dollars. We can
Convert
convert
it to
it back to
text,
numbers. Yes.
and then we replace the values. Yeah. Thank you so much for your observation. And here in replace with, you don't write anything because we want it to be replaced with nothing. Okay. Then you just click. And now we are remaining with $sign, the same thing that we just did. Just type in your $sign, you just replace it with nothing. Yeah. And now we only have digits. We only have numbers. Okay. And the third step is we have to first trim, remove any space that is not supposed to be anywhere. Okay. After that, you can convert again to, when you want to transform your data type, you just come here to transform, then change data type from text to decimal numbers. And you see, as you can see, everything is aligned well. Yeah. Who I'm sorry I didn't get the name of person who just suggested. What I just heard was a lady's voice. I didn't know who was that. I wasn't following well. Who suggested those steps? It's
It's
needed, huh?
Colette. Colette.
Correct. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Actually, clap hands for her.
Thank you.
Okay, so we continue. We are coming here to discount. So discount
Excuse me,
it's
sir.
already yes. Muhire.
Can you a little bit direct me how to convert to from text to numbers?
From text to numbers. Can you see my screen?
Yeah, I can see your screen.
You see where is my mouse to home?
Yes, yes.
So you go like a next step
Trans.
to transform.
Mm.
The
Mm-hmm.
moment you are in transform, there is two options.
Mm.
You can change your data type directly by your choice. Okay.
Mm. Mm.
Or you can just highlight the column that you want to change, and then you click here to detect the data type. So it will go and change to its respective data type. You click here,
Mm.
it will change itself automatically.
Mm.
Yes.
So let me try it on my own
Yeah, exactly.
and see if it works.
Exactly. So we are going to do it. We are going to make the same applications that we did to Unity price. So we have to change it to text so that we can remove the $sign and USD words, okay? I hope you are not leaving anybody behind. One step at a time. Can we convert this? Now we have clean numbers, okay? And we trim. Okay, after trimming, you convert to decimal number. Now we don't have any error, empty. We just have numbers in decimals. So on notes, you just leave as it is. There's nothing special that we can even do on the notes. Okay, great. So we do have quarter 2, quarter 3, and quarter 4. Yes. And I want us to do a bit of verification. If we really do have clean data, and my eyes are showing me different things. Yeah. Do you guys see that? We do have unique. No, we don't. Because distinct should be equal to unique. Yeah. And we don't. And order date still in text. Customer ID. Some are even missing. Yeah. If you come here to region, same. If you come, same thing as what we were dealing with. So what's your suggestion, guys? Tell me what you can suggest about this. Should we clean it again per each? We're going to be cleaning per each file, or anyone has a suggestion of what we can do?
Sorry, sir.
Yes.
Maybe you are a step ahead of me. I was lost a little bit on the net amount.
Yes.
So
On the
I was
net.
net amount.
Yes.
So
Yes.
for me,
And then,
when I convert it back to decimals, I get some errors. I don't know if you got one too. Some values
no,
are
I did not get any error. So could you share us your screen and we see what you get?
okay. I think you can see my screen.
Yes, I
Okay.
can see your screen. So scroll down to the last step you applied and we see.
Change type.
Change type 3. Uh-huh. And
Now
the trimmed one
this one.
is click there and we see before you trimmed. So you see you
Before
did,
you trim
and before you repress, let's see the repressed. What did you repress? Yes, a
the
dollar sign with, and then go to trim and we see. So you see you forgot to remove USD before you trim.
before I trim.
You are supposed to
Okay.
even remove USD.
UST. It means there were UST and dollar signs.
Yes. So you
So
just like click there and change. Yeah, also replace that dollar sign, the USD with the just where you are.
you mean
Just go back, go to the column, go to the net amount column. You right click and then you also replace USD with the insert.
Are you
Yes.
sure I want? I think now the issue is fixed, right?
Scroll down to the last step now
To the last step.
and see if it can be changed. Do we have an error now?
No, we do not have any.
Yes, because you are
Yeah,
changing values to numbers, yet they were still having
yeah,
text.
that was my bad. Thank you, sir.
No, it's okay. It's okay.
Yeah, yeah.
So we continue. So we are still here, and I was waiting for your ideas, guys. What should we do here? We still have three quotas that we have to clean.
And the
Anyone with a
question is,
suggestion?
the question is,
So the question is, we are done with transaction quota 1. Okay. So we are remaining with
mm,
transaction quota 2, transaction quota 3, transaction quota 4. Yes.
mm-hmm,
So we are done with quota 1, and that means the next is quota 2, and you are going to do the same thing that we did to quota 1. Yeah. So I want us
yes, I think so.
to share. I want us to share ideas. How should we work with this? Should we do the same thing that we applied to quota 1, or there is another way we can do this? Your ideas are needed, guys. Yeah. No one with a suggestion?
Yeah, for me, I don't have one, but if there is another, if there is a shortcut, that would be super exciting. Yeah.
No one? No one? So there is something called merge or append. Anybody who did close on it? Something called merge or append. Anyone? Anyone with an idea of what it is? This is it. I want us to pass. Can you guys see my screen?
Yes, we can see it.
So there are two ways to combine data. customer ID, product ID, product category, region, sales rep ID, channels, quantity, unit price, discount, net amount, notes. Yeah. Go to transaction quarter 3, order ID, order date, customer ID, product ID, product category, region, sales rep ID, channel, quantity, unit price, discount, net amount, notes. You see? And even on the fourth one, it's the same, 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 it's the same. So if we are to combine all this data, these 4 tables, and there is a column name that is different from the other, it will go separately from the table. You will see like there is an added column, which is quite similar to what we will be having. So what you do, you come here to home. Yes. Here at the last point here, there is merge and there is append queries. So you click here to this drop down fresh, append queries as new. And you click append queries as new, you again come here to 3 or more tables. And you come here to 3 or more tables, you already see transaction quarter 4 is selected in here. It has been added there. So what we are going to do, we are going to add this quarter 2. We are going to add this one, quarter 3, and you are going to add quarter 1. After adding all of them into tables to append, there will be 4. I want to know if all of us we are aligned here, if you are not leaving anybody behind. Anyone is left behind?
We are following.
Perfect, perfect, good. So what we are going to do, we are going to click OK. If you click OK, you will see append 1. Append 1, it means it's a it's a grouping table of all these transactions here that you see. And let's see if we do have, you see, everything is appended in the same table. We don't have any extra column. That means all the column names had rigid names. Okay. So for now, we are going just to clean once, and we are done. Yeah. So as you can see here, we already have duplicates that we want to remove. That's the thing we only did here. We removed the duplicates because we want our distinct to be equal to unique. What we do, you just come, you right click, then you remove duplicates, and you see 1000 distinct, 1000 unique, which means our order ID is clean. Yes. So if our order ID is clean, the rest is to make sure that we have just real elements or maybe real names in maybe categories, in regions, in sales rep IDs, anywhere, right? That we should clean. So first and foremost, we check here what we have here. Same thing that we did in quarter 1. Remember what we did in quarter 1. We came and we were just changing. we were replacing words. EA with East Africa. Okay. Africa, Africa with East Africa. Africa, that's Western Africa. And we have to capitalize each word, transform, capitalize each word. And we are still going. There is this probably is South Africa, Southern Africa, sorry. We are still going. There is a lot. We have W dot Africa with space. I hope I am not leaving anyone behind or maybe confusing someone in what I'm doing. Yes? Okay. Southern Africa. We are on E dot space Africa. That's probably East Africa. Are we missing something? Rodmo. There's also this East Africa, East Africa. There's a lot. And let's again see. So there is East Africa, Southern Africa, West Africa. Yes. So the remaining part is trimming. Yes. And we again see we have three distinct. Okay. So which means our region part is done. Okay. So our region part is done, and then we go here to our quantities and things that are not making sense here. Unity price, we know what we did. We just had to convert the data type to text so that we can be able to clean our data. We replace a dollar sign with nothing. We again replace USD with also nothing. And then we go ahead and we convert our data type to decimal numbers. Same applies to net amount. Yes. What's our net amount? The same thing. We convert to text so that we can be able to make our changes. Dollar sign and USD. And here we are done with our data cleaning. So anyone with a question before we proceed? Anyone? We all good? Our data is clean. Do you confirm? Anyone, please, guys, speak up. Do we have clean data that we can use? And we are not trying any band?
I just have one question. I don't have the 1,000 distinct unique.
You have how much?
900 something.
900. Did you make any filter?
Let me see. No, no.
No?
No, there is no filter. Am I the only one? Or?
You mean on the other ID, right?
Yes.
Okay. Anyone else with an issue? Anyone, guys, please?
Can you scroll back to your net amount and I see if you have the same picture? For me, I have 150 unique. For me, I have 150 unique, and you have 489 unique. I don't know what went long on
Where
net
on the net
amount.
amount?
Yes.
Did you convert? You should convert to
to decimal number.
And do we have the same now?
Let me see. 151, 3. For me, I have 150. For you have 155. And
I have 151.
and on the I have 386 distinct.
Mm.
For you have one added. Oh, sorry. For me, I have
I also have 52 unique. Is it just to have the same exact numbers?
It's not a must.
Yes,
As long as we don't have errors. But because we are using the same
okay.
data set, we should be having the same thing.
Exactly.
Mm.
What about others? What they have?
Yes, I want to hear from others, and they are quiet. Guys, contribute, guys. Contribute. Do we have the same
Just for
thing?
Me, I do have a 1,000.
Perfect. So, Bobo, could you please share your screen? Do we see? And do we solve it together? What do you think?
Sure, no problem.
Go ahead, please.
Can you see my screen?
Yes.
So I have this after doing the append.
After doing the append.
Yeah. But I have not yet removed the duplicate. I don't know if removing the duplicate will give.
Remove duplicates immediately.
Okay. Oh, okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. How about others? So, should we confirm that we are done? Hmm? Hmm? Guys, speak up.
Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you, Daneda.
From appending, does it mean that if I start from transaction 4, then I select transaction 1, transaction 3, does it arrange itself or it remains
Yes,
as it?
they arrange themselves.
Why mine is not arranged? Because I see does not start from that
Does
or
not start from?
or
Show us, please. Show us the screen.
Mm, I'm using a new device. It may take a time. Maybe you can advise me if it cause no challenge. We can continue.
Well, did you manage to append? Hmm?
Yes, sure. Yes.
You did? You did.
Yes.
Okay. And the append were successful. You can see append one.
Yes, I have append one and I'm doing different transformations.
Okay. So you are ahead of us.
No, I'm not ahead of you. We are together. Uh,
Okay.
The problem I was having is that I am seeing your data arranged and the way you did append is like mine. That
Mm.
was my problem.
The way it's arranged, you mean the queries or the table itself?
The
Hmm?
the way you selected transaction four transaction,
The way it's selected?
you continue like that is like mine. And
Mm.
the transaction quota two, the way you selected them when you were going to do append, yeah, it's like
Mm.
mine. The challenge I was having is like your and mine is not arranged. Does it cause any problem?
No, it does not. It does not at all. Don't mind about that.
Okay, thank you.
As long as the data quality is good, the arrangement doesn't matter. S- But you guys haven't confirmed if we are done with cleaning what we are supposed to clean.
How did you manage to correct these customers with no ID?
Customers with no ID.
With now?
Mm-hmm. So there's a customer with null. We didn't remove them. And actually, I was asking if we are done, and I ask you if we are to leave this transaction live because we don't have customer ID, but we have the rest of a transaction. What
Yeah.
should we do with this? Okay. And
There is
we
also
have how many?
product name that the product name.
Um,
I don't know if you corrected it.
we have a lot of transactions that don't have customer ID, and they have the rest of information up to transaction, discounts, everything, everything here. And when we come here to customer, we have customer ID, customer name, region,
Sorry, we
country.
can't see your screen.
Oh, thank you, thank you.
Michelle.
My bad. Mm. So you see, in our append we have a lot of nulls. If we are to filter only nulls, like transactions without customer ID, what should we do with this? Here it's a big decisions that we have to make. What should we do with this? Should we leave them as a transaction without customer ID? What should we do with this? Any person to volunteer here? No one?
I think as long as the transaction has passed, they have to have the to be associated to certain customers. So I think we have to create some.
Anyone else with a suggestion?
I don't think it has any relevancy for the analysis. I don't. We can just leave it.
We can just leave it. Yes, even I myself, I would suggest we leave it, and we can flag it in our dashboard, or maybe in our report, that we do have transactions that do not have customer IDs. Yes, because they do have the rest of the data, but when it comes to a customer ID, we don't. Yes, you agree with that? And how about the rest of the columns? Are they clean? We go to the rest of the tables, because we have a lot of tables to clean.
Yeah, the category.
Sorry, categories. Do you remember how many these things we should have in categories? Who remembers them?
There are 5 or 4. 5, I guess.
It's just 5.
Yes, we should have 5 categories here. Yeah. So which means same as we did as for example here, peripherals shouldn't be peripherals like this. They should be peripherals in this way. Yes. And stationally it should be this. Accessories, there were accessories with one S. We changed them to double S. And we come and we capitalize each word first, and we see now 7. Then we go to furniture. There was one called furniture. But except because we looked into data, but if you come here, you be like you're filtering, you can see what are the wrong pairings are in. You can see we're remaining with furniture and lightning. Come and you replace furniture with furniture. Okay. And then lighting with lightning with lighting.
Wabonye? So, so
We good to go? Do we all have 5 distinct in category section? Perfect. Perfect. I like that. So do we have anything else we have to look into our append before we rename it? How about this? How about our date? How should we change this date to? Because this date column it's in text, yet it should be in date. Yeah? Do we agree to that? What we are going to do, we are going to using locally, and then we change to date. We use United Kingdom dates format. And we will have our dates arranged well. After that, have we done that? Did we change our data type to date? Did we?
Not yet.
Let's change our data type to date. Order date, you change it. You come here to data type, or you right click, okay? You click to change date, then using local. Just come, it will show a pop-up with choosing a data type. You choose date, then you go to, yes, you go to the order date, and then you even change to English or maybe United Kingdom. Did we? Can you see my screen, guys? What I did? Let me repeat it. What we do here, you come, right click to your order date column, come here to change type using local, and then there's this pop-up that will come, change type with local, then you select date here, then you come here to local, you choose United Kingdom. Simple input values, those are the ones that, and then you click OK. The order date will change to date formats. Are we done? Please confirm, guys. Great. So our next move is to change the name from append 1. What should we call this? What we are going to call this, it's combined transaction. Have we changed that? Christopher, your thumb was looking down, so I'm confused. Are you saying yes or are you saying no?
No. So I go to change type.
Mm-hmm. We are still you on the other date?
Yes, on the other day, change type,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
and then use
Date.
date where?
When you go to change type,
Okay.
the last section where it's written using locale.
Mm-hmm. Using the code.
Can you see my screen? You can see where the mouse is.
Yes. So test. I have okay English. Maybe English.
No, don't you remove the change from text to date,
Date. Okay.
and then from locale there's United States. Change it to United Kingdom.
United Kingdom. Okay, United Kingdom. Oh, okay. Yeah, go. Yeah, go. Yeah, go.
Worked? Great.
Yeah, go.
So did we manage to change the name of our dataset? The append one, which changed it to combined transaction. Did we? Great. Great. So that means we are done with all these transactions here, all these transactions table. We are done with it because we have a unified table that combines all of them. So what we need is just coming back here to dimensions and we see how are they doing, what's in, do we need them, stuff like that. So starting from date, do this table clean? Is this table clean? In my eyes, it's clean. There's nothing else we should add. Do you guys agree with me? Hmm? Okay. We go to dimension, customer dimension. Is it also clean? Please confirm before we move. Is it clean? Christopher confirmed. Who else? In my eyes, it's not clean.
Not, the columns are not actually named.
Exactly. So, which means Christopher and Bobo confirmed, but they did not verify well. See, our first law is the one that has our column names. Yeah. And so they are considered as values, yet they are supposed to be column names. They're supposed to be here, not here. Yeah. So within this option of transform, if you're still there, all of us, there is a section whereby you can use first law as headers. Yeah. And this option is here. Can you see it? Do we all see that? When you are in under transform section, there is use first law as headers. Just click on it. Our table will be having headers. Those those values that were on the first row, they will move to being headers. Done? Okay, so we go to product dimension. How does it look like? Is it clean? Verify well, guys. Okay. Christopher confirms, Bobo confirms. Anyone else? Do we see any error here? Is anything wrong with the data? No. Okay. 2 cells. We add 2 cells. Same error. We just have to move our first row to be the first columns to be the headers. If you go to this last region dimension, the same issue has to be region IDs, region, and countries. So now we are done with the basic cleaning. Yeah. So our next phase is now to go and build visuals. Okay. So we are going to have a break for 7 minutes and we'll come back looking into the slides that I showed. You remember the slides I showed? There is a link I shared. This one here. Because we did this. Yes. We merged. And then now we are here. So this is our next after pause. Yes? Okay. Thank you very much and stay tuned. Don't go anywhere, guys. I'm seeing 16. They are moving a bit. We started while we were 19, 20, and now we are 16. I don't want anyone to move because we just arrived in an interesting part. Yeah. I know cleaning is boring, it's very hectic, but we are done with cleaning and now we are going to deal with data. We are going to manipulate data, okay? So you stay tuned. 5 minutes pause, then we come back, okay? We continue. Hello. So before we continue, I would like to have like maybe these 3 minutes, and we go through what we just did. If anyone has an issue or maybe didn't get well from all the steps just we did, I would like to know. I would like to know if we are leaving anybody behind, and this moment to guide him or her. Yeah, please. Anyone are we leaving behind?
I think we are good. I think we are good.
Perfect. Great. So we are landing in something called model view. I don't know if are we still here? What we will do, since we are done with our editing and our transformation, what we will do, we will close and apply. Just click here. Close and apply. Have we all closed and apply all the changes that we made? Perfect. Perfect. So what we are going to do, since we don't need this transaction quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4, what we are going to do, you just try to hover on it. You will see 3 dots in a horizontal line, and then you click on it. You will see an option for hiding them. The reason why I want to hide them is because we already created a combined version of them. Yeah, so you click combine so that it doesn't confuse us that we do have like a table that we're supposed to be using. Okay, let's do that, all of us, and we end up with only 6 tables here. We'll be having 6 tables here. Okay, so when you are done hiding them, you come here to model view. Someone, Emmanuel.
Yeah, yeah. How do we hide them? Sorry, I lost a bit.
So you try to hover on the table, maybe quarter 1 or quarter 2. When you hover on it, you will see 3 dots in a horizontal line towards the end of the table. You click on it, you will see an option to hide. just hide. Click this hide option. See it? Perfect. So when we are done with hiding all of those 4 tables, you come here to model view. You'll see something which looks like this, a bit magic thing. Yeah. Are we seeing this? Are we having the same thing? Hmm? Are we having the same thing, guys? Can someone tell us what he's saying?
Sorry, sir.
Yes.
I'm afraid I'm lost. I was trying to hide, and I could still see the tables. They are not
Sorry?
being hid. The table,
They're not being
I
hidden.
yes. For me, I can see hide in the report view, and I click there. I cannot see them being hidden.
Mm.
I don't know where I messed up.
You can see my screen.
Yes, I can see your screen.
So you're still seeing your tables here.
Yeah, for me, what I see is different from what you have,
What
because
do
I
you
can
see?
see.
What do you see? Show us what you see.
Okay, let me share my screen.
Yes.
So this is the way my screen looks like. The last step I made, I crossed and apply.
Mm-hmm.
So this is the last page I have.
So you see you are on the table view. Can you go to the report view? So try to hover on those 3 dots and select hide.
Then after this, what did you do?
You see where there is report view, table view, there is also a model view and a table view.
Under table view.
Yes.
You mean here?
Yes. Right
I
there.
click here on model view,
Mhm.
right?
Yes, click there.
And then
What do you see? So do we all have that this visual that his name, I think it's Muhir, right?
yes, Muhire
It's Muhir
Aaron.
is presenting. So do we have the same as what Muhir has? We do?
Yes, yes, we do.
Okay.
So now I stop my screen and we go together. Yeah.
Exactly. So we continue. Now we can have this. Yes. So we are on this stage. We are on this stage. Okay. We have one central table. That's our combined transaction. Okay. The one that we appended. Everything is in. Like the whole transaction process. It's in one table now. And the rest of the tables, they depend on this table here that we do have. So what we are going to do, we are going to create relationship so that we can be able to filter. Okay. Very good. We are going to create relationship so that you can be able to filter, or maybe using filters, using models in our report. Okay. So what is a relationship? Anyone can anyone tell me what is a relationship in his own understanding? When we talk about relationship between two tables, what do we mean? Any volunteer?
Yes, I can try.
Yes, try, please.
So if two things have a relationship with one another, it means one can affect another one. To me, there is an association between them.
Yes. So that means, yes, please.
Yeah, I think if there is a relationship between tables, I think they have a column in common.
Exactly. They have a colony in common.
Yeah.
They have a relationship. Which means those two tables can talk to each other. Those two tables, those two tables can communicate. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's the same thing that we should check in our Power BI models. In here, we remember our first, or our main table is this one, combined transaction. Okay. What we will do, we will first make sure we hide this from the reports. Okay. Because we are not going to use it. And we will have to kill all the relationships that are with this table. Same applies to the rest. Because we don't need it. We don't need it. We already have a combined table that has all the transactions, I would say. Yes.
What if we delete it instead of hiding? Is it changing something to our data?
Yes. If you delete it, then the data will even move from the combined
Oh,
table. Yes. Remember, this table depends to these ones. This combined one, this mega table, it depends to the data that are in here. If you change something here, those changes will also apply here. Yeah. If you can even add data here, they will come here. Yeah. That's why you don't have to change, or we don't have to delete them. We just have to cancel all these relationships that are with them. As simple as that. They are only for relationships. It's not more than that. Are we guys doing the same thing that I'm doing? Just need to delete the relationship, nothing else. And we put them aside. We don't need any. We don't need them anymore. Like put them very far where we don't see them so that they don't confuse us. And we come back to our main table. As you all see, our table has already the relationship being created, but we are going to delete all the lines that you see so that we create our own relationships that we understand, okay? Delete every line that you see. Every line. So that we just have things, the thing that looks like this. We have the same thing here. Can we all see all these 6 tables? Date
Yeah,
dimension, product dimension. Yes, yes, please.
you are a bit ahead of us. It's like you
Okay.
are a bit
Tell
ahead
me
of us. Yeah.
where you are, and I have to
We,
wait for you.
we are for me. I'm still deleting those lines.
Those lines? It's okay.
Yeah.
I'm not ahead. I'm waiting. I will move on until you guys confirm that everyone has been able to delete all those lines that he or she was seeing. Yeah. Are we done? Okay. So now we are going to create a relationship whereby a relationship will help us to create a connection between one table to another so that these 2 tables can talk to each other. Okay. And we all know we have like a centralized table, which we called combined transaction. This combined transactions is the one I would say big and is the one that has most of the data that we want to use in our report. And the rest of the tables that you see here, they will help us to navigate and filters and filtering and being able to filter the data per specific element. Let's say, for example, if we connect combined transaction with region dimension, we will be able to filter by country, by region. If we connect combined transaction with sales representatives, We'll be able to filter by region, by sales. If we connect with customers, we'll be able to filter by country. We'll be able to filter by customer. We'll be able to filter by segment. If we connect it with products, we'll be able to filter by category, by product, and by product and by product ID if we want. If we connect it with calendar, it definitely will be able to filter by date. We'll be able to filter by quota. You see? So I am not going to create all these all these connections. I am going to create one, and you guys please follow, and then the rest is you to tell me how I should connect them. Okay? So I'm going to connect order date by date. Okay? It's a drag and drop. If I connect order date by date, I will see
Question.
something with pops. Yes, please.
For me, what I have, I try to delete all the lines. Though I did not get as many as lines as you had, and I tried to hover over the transaction quotas to move them away, but still they are appearing. I could not manage to only have those 5 blocks as you have.
Please share me the screen. And we work through this together. Okay?
I think you can see my screen.
Yes. So can you try to arrange them? Yes, just like that. Yes, like that. Exactly.
You can zoom out.
You can zoom out and drag and drop. You see where the property option is? Click to those two fresh so that you can see a bigger screen.
Property?
You see properties?
Where is it?
What properties?
Where is it? Oh, yeah, I see properties. Yeah.
Okay. Do you see those two freshes on those two? Yes. Click on them. Same to data. Same applies to data. Okay. And now you can see a bigger screen so that you can now arrange the tables the way I arranged them.
I saw you try to make these quotas disappear.
Yes.
All the quotas.
We don't need them.
Then we even this one. So So I don't know if there is a logic way or like if this can come before or if there is no order to do that.
You can just arrange them the way you want.
Okay. So is this enough?
No, you left the product. Team product.
I have to do what?
Bring also dim products.
Oh, dim products. Oh.
But dim product is there where you are living.
I saw it. It was hidden to your.
It's right there. It's the first one.
Oh, this one. Oh, thank you.
So now let me share my screen and then we follow each other to how we create relationships. Okay?
Yes, thank you.
Yes. So here are my tables. As I said, 6 tables. I'm going to connect with dim calendar. I'm going to connect date with other date. It's very simple. No magic behind. Just drag and drop. I'm going to drag this date low with and I drop it to other date and I release my mouse. And something will pop up which looks like this, a new relationship, select tables and columns that are related. It has already did that automatically because I had already selected them. There is date and other date. A date from dimension calendar and other date from combined transaction. My relationship cardinality is one to many. Okay? Close filter direction, single. And then you click save. When you click save, the relationship will automatically be created. Okay? Do we all aligned? Or someone is
So,
behind?
question.
Yes, please.
Uh, what does one to many mean, and that the other single factor is all there? What do they mean actually?
So we have so many cardinalities. They call them cardinalities. We have many to many, we have one to many, we have many to one, we have one to one. So here we are using one to one, well, one to many or many to one. So many to one means that as you can see combined transaction is the one that has many, which means there are many dates. Okay, there are many dates that are connected with date here. Date here, that means these dates here or this column named date should be unique. There are no duplicates that are allowed inside that column called date. Okay, so that's why we are seeing that there are a lot of dates that are similar but are being connected to unique dates that are in dimension calendar. I don't know if you get it well.
So, can you come again a little bit?
I am saying one to many, okay? One to many cardinality. It means that in one table that has one, or maybe let's use even our scenario from dim calendar with combined transaction. In dim calendar, we have dates. Those dates are not repeated, okay? You getting what I'm saying?
Yes, I'm getting.
Yes, those dates are not repeated, which means they are appearing once. But the same dates that are in combined transaction, you find one, maybe 5 or maybe 10 transactions. They took place at the same date and they were recorded. Remember, the transactions that we have in combined transactions, they do have different IDs, but they happened at the same date. Get?
Yes, yes.
So, which means a one-to-many relationship links a single record, okay? A single record, that means it's from dim calendar, okay? It's linking a single record from dim calendar, okay, to a multiple record from combined transaction.
Yes,
That's vice
yes.
versa. Same applies when it is many to one. Okay. But there is also another one called many to many, which is normally not friendly used. Or maybe it's very rare to see where in building a model they have many to many. That relationship connects multiple records in one table to multiple records in another table. You just find that maybe there is combined transactions, okay? Maybe from a different country, and then you're creating the relationship between these combined transactions from Rwanda maybe to Burundi. You see, if you combine them by using dates, they will be having multiple records from one table. You are relating them to another multiple records to another table. That means you're creating a connection called many to many. Okay? But here, let's deal with one to many. The one that you can link a single record to multiple records. Okay? You getting what I'm saying? Please
Yes, yes.
feel free to ask if you're not getting, so that we go deeper. Because I want us to be at the same page. I want us to understand. Okay? So, starting from Aaron, tell me another connection that I have to create.
Uh,
This one is done. Now,
mm,
dimension calendar is connected to combined transaction. Yes?
yes, yes.
So how about region? Dimension region with combined transaction.
Yeah, like on region, from what I can see, on dim regions, I have column 1, column 2, and column 3. So
On
I think,
region,
yes, dim regions.
you
Do you
you
have the
have
same?
column 1, column 2, column 3.
Yes.
There are some steps that you did not do. So
Oh.
you'll go back to transform data.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Transform data.
Mhm. You go to region, and then you come to
Give,
transform. Then you click
give,
here.
give me a
Use
second.
fast flow as headers.
So I go to transform data, then I go to
Yes.
regions.
Yes. You click on region, and then you come here to transform. Then you use fast flow as column. Use fast flow as headers.
Transform first row as headers.
Can you see the option?
Yes, now I have the new table.
Perfect. Okay. So
So that
click
means I
click
should
home,
I should click home. Yes.
and then close and apply. Then we'll be back here.
So it means I should also have done it on the on the date.
Sorry?
That means I should also have this done the same with the first connection that we did.
No. Are you
Okay.
do you have the rest Wait, first, show me your show me your screen, please. Share your screen and we see what you have.
Yeah, thank you. So this is my screen.
So you will do the same to customers, you do the same to sales.
Transform, then transform customers. Do the same with sales. And even in products. Yes.
Yes.
So that means all the themes.
Mm-hmm. No, 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 no.
I
You had
I
already that one was already not all the themes. You first verify, okay? You first have to verify. So what you will do, you see where there is applied steps,
mm,
there is promoted headers as the second last. Move that.
this I
Yes,
remove this one.
yes, remove it.
So promoted, what does it
Just
mean?
promoted headers. That means there is a law that you promoted to be headers. And then move also that change the type one. Remove it too. That one was fine. You can see the table has headers. There's nothing to do with it. You don't have anything to do with it, okay?
Mm,
So instead, verify the rest of the themes of yours.
so they all have
Everyone has.
errors.
Okay.
Yes.
Now
Mm.
close and apply then.
So is there where you can
First,
all
remove.
this?
You have to remove all those relationships that has been created again.
Yeah, that's why when I was trying to delete the lines, I could find very few lines
Yeah.
to delete.
So you will be doing it while we continue, okay?
Okay, yeah, thank you.
Yes. Yes. So we are sharing. I'm sharing my screen and we are continuing. Okay. So our first relationship was successfully created. Okay. So now we are going to the next one. We are on the dimension region. What should we connect with combined transaction? Hmm? What do we have here that can be connected here?
Can we use region?
We
'Cause
use region.
yes.
Yes. Let's see if we can use region. Region is many to many. It can't work. Yeah. Let's find another thing we can use here.
Yeah, so
What
I
should
think we
we
can
use?
region
Sorry, come again.
region ID to region.
Sorry,
Region ID. Team
region
region.
ID.
Yes,
Region ID to what?
to
Region ID to
on
region.
the yes.
Hmm?
So to the combined transaction, we have
I
region
can't
there
hear you.
and to team. So to the combined transaction there, we have region.
Yes.
Okay, and to team region, we have region
Hmm.
ID as well. So we
So we
can
combine region ID
oh,
and region from combined transaction. Let's try and see.
yes.
But do they look the same? They don't. See?
Okay.
They don't. Which means this table cannot be connected with this. Instead, this might be connected with this.
Okay, yes.
It can
Sales
also
reps.
even be connected by this. So it's us to choose. These regions that we want to, what should we connect it with? Because if we connect with a transaction, what's the use? Do we need to know the transaction, the region for the transaction that took place from? We just need to know the customers. Where did they buy our products from? Okay. So let's try to connect regions from customers and regions from here. It's also a many to many, which cannot work. But, okay, but if we connect country with country here, you see, this one can work because in our dim customer, we have multiple countries, but duplicated. Like customers can be living in the same country. Okay, the customer can share countries, right?
Yes.
Okay, that's why when we connect countries from customer dimension with a dimension region, it gives us the rigid cardinality of many to one. Okay, now we are done with this. Then we go to cells. What should we connect it with? Cells with?
But question.
Yes, please.
Uh, I don't understand where like why you move the why you move up or down. Why do you choose like to move the region from the dim customers to region instead of maybe moving the region from the dim regions and put them to dim customers and vice versa, or would it be the same?
It's the same. It's the same. You just choose where you
Okay,
want to start from. You can drag it
okay,
from here up to here. You can drag this up to here.
okay.
Yes. So we are here to dimension cells. And here we have cells web ID. We are going to connect it immediately. With no doubt, the connection will be created. And we are here to product. Here we have product ID. Do we have order ID? Do we have product ID? Yes, we do. We do have product ID. Just connect it here. stream. So our data is connected well. Okay. So from now, we can be able to do what? We can be able to create our dashboard. So we will come back here to report view. This is where I said this is where we build our report from. This is where we build our dashboard from. Okay. You get it? So far, is there anyone with a question? Hello? Anybody with a question, please? Yes, please.
Yeah, can we also create a relationship between DIM customer and combined transaction on customer ID?
We create team customer with. We did not. Oh, that's really bad. We didn't. Thank you very much for the observation. We are supposed to create it because we need to know this data. Yeah. Okay. Anyone else with an observation? Please, guys, let's be active.
So for team customer, what did we connect? What did we use to connect to combine transaction?
So when you hover on this connection, it highlights the connections columns that we used. You see, we used customer IDs.
Oh, okay.
Yes, because both table had customer IDs. Yes. Okay.
Customer ID. Yes.
Everyone managed to create the relationship as requested.
Question.
Yes, please.
So on the combined transaction, for me, I don't have the same columns as you have. Like on my side, I have the totally different thing from what you have. Like I could see the check stock, flax, power box, bank, retail.
So you promoted headers again.
I promoted it. So
yes. So go back, share your screen, please.
you can see my screen, right?
Not yet. Yes, now I can see your screen.
So this is the combined transaction.
So what you were saying on combined, okay, so you are seeing values, you're not seeing column names. So go to transform data and we see what's wrong with the data. Combined, okay. Wow, what did you combine here? because we totally have different things.
You say?
We totally have different things here. We are supposed to be having a lot of values. Did you filter or something? No, not just filter. So focus to the applied steps that we did. So first, to type to accessories, remove the duplicates. The first, the last law, the last applied step, please.
I close this one.
Yes, remove it and remove that too. Remove that.